situation right now in Kissena Park on December 31st. Visibility is very, very bad. We have somebody playing the saxophone, which is cool, and the rangers are taking us to the survival course. I see Kissena Lake. Winter. Not cold though. It's just very hard to see where they're going. But I'm following.
Water and you do fall in, first things that happen is you're going to be in terrible shock, okay? That cold's going to hit you, you're going to start panicking, and your breath is going to go kind of out of control. So one of the first things you want to do is try to control your breathing. Right? Everyone? And the second thing is you're going to want to turn around, okay? Because you know the way you just came in, it was sturdy enough to hold you at some point.
It's the fog. We're having a mist. The temperatures are around, I would say 10 Celsius, but it's really cool to see all this foggy weather here in Kissena Park today. December 31st, this is Kissena Park under a big fog, and this is 12 p.m. and we're here with the rangers. We're going to do a hike. Woohoo! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
The lake is frozen in Kissena Park and the fog is really intense.
It takes a while.